Hi there, English learner. Welcome to listening time. You can use this video to learn and practice your English. Today, I want to talk about my friends. This is a great topic. Friendship is very important in our life. Everyone needs friends. Friends make our life happier and more colorful. A friend is someone who listens to us, helps us, and stays with us when we are sad or happy. Good friends make us smile every day. They give us support and love. When we feel lonely, friends are the people who talk to us and make us feel better. Friendship is not about how many friends we have, but about how true they are, right? Friendship starts with simple things. It can start with a smile, a kind word, or a small help. When we meet people, talk, and share, friendship can grow slowly. Real friendship takes time and care. A good friend is honest, kind, and helpful. A friend does not tell lies. A friend listens and understands. Sometimes friends are different from us, but that is okay. We can learn new things from each other. Good friends accept us for who we are. In friendship, we share many things together. We talk, laugh, and spend time together. We can play sports, go to the beach, eat, or watch movies. These small moments make friendship stronger. Sometimes friends have problems or small fights. It is normal. No one is perfect. But real friends always say, sorry, forgive, and move on. Saying, I'm sorry and it's okay, makes friendship better. Trust is also very important in friendship. We need to trust our friends, and they need to trust us too. If we keep secrets and respect each other, the friendship will last for a long time. Helping each other is another part of friendship. When a friend has a problem, we should help them. When we have a problem, our friends help us too. That is what makes friendship special. We should take care of our friends. We can send them a message, ask how they are, or say thank you. Small things can make friends happy. A smile or a kind word can make a big difference. Friendship also teaches us many lessons. We learn how to share, how to listen, and how to be patient. We learn to care about other people and to think about their feelings. Friendship makes us better people. Sometimes friends live far away, but friendship can still be strong. We can call or send photos. True friendship does not end with distance. It stays in our heart even when we cannot meet every day. Good friends make our life easier and happier. They give us energy and joy. When we feel sad, they make us smile. When we are tired, they give us hope. Life without friends would be lonely and boring. To keep a good friendship, we need to be kind, honest, and respectful. We should listen more than we speak. We should help more than we ask. We should make our friends feel loved and important. Friendship is like a flower. It needs water, sunlight, and care to grow. If we care for our friends with love and time, the friendship will be strong and beautiful. In life, money and things are not everything. Friendship is something we cannot buy. It is a gift that makes our heart warm and our days brighter. So, we should always remember to thank our friends. Say nice things to them, smile with them, and be there when they need us. Friendship is one of the best things in life, and we should never forget how lucky we are to have friends. For me, friendship doesn't need much, it just needs quality. Friends understand me when I have a problem in life. They come with me, sit beside me, and share with me until I feel relieved. And I also do the same for them. I think we should always be kind and thankful to our friends. They are great people in our life. Leave a comment and tell me about your friends. Don't forget to like, share, and click the bell so you never miss a new video. And please, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me make more videos for you to practice English every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.